Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, so it can be, for example, in messages, in notes, in your browser, wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find the settings right here, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them and drag them to this first panel to have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages at the very top. Here we've got the list of all previously and currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose, languages from which you can choose. So I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. And basically this is all you have to do. Find the language and tap on it. As you can see, sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set. And here we've got kind of keyboard modes or keyboard types which we can apply. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick from up to 5 keyboard modes, I believe, or only one. As I said, it depends. So as you can see, in my case, I've got 3 different options, and I would like to use this kind of graphical keyboard type. So let me mark it. As you can see, it is checked, and now we can unmark this option. So I will apply only this one. Of course, you can mark all of them, and you will be able to use all of the types if you want to. So let's tap on Done, and as you can see, in my case, Urdu language has been applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually here we will have 2 differences. Right now we've got only one visible difference, and it is this globe icon, or globe icon. It will act as a language key, so thanks to this we can change the language. So currently I'm typing on the English keyboard, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one, as you can see. And here we've got the second difference, which was not visible before, the spacebar. Currently it is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So here we've got the Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon again, we've got the English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one specific language, or 2 of them, not 3 or 4. So we have to enter the settings again and tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon again in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And now we can go back, and here first of all we cannot find the globe icon, which simply means that we cannot change the language. What's more, the spacebar is again empty, so we can only type in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.